In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tip option on Square appointments. This is our full 2025 guide designed to get you set up in just 5 minutes. Adding a tipping option can enhance your customer service experience and potentially increase your revenue. So let's get started on this simple yet rewarding task. First, you're going to want to navigate to the Square Appointments page. It's a platform that's known for its flexibility and ease of use, offering free scheduling software and a booking app. Make sure you're connected to the internet and open your favorite web browser. Once you're on the Square Appointments site, the next step is to click on Sign In. This will allow you to access your account dashboard where all the magic happens. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. Setting one up is quick and easy. After signing in, you'll be directed straight to your Square dashboard. From here, the interface is intuitive, but if it's new to you, just follow along. On the dashboard menu, look for the tab labeled Staff and give it a click. This section is crucial as it helps you manage everything related to your team's settings, including the tip options we're about to configure. Once you've opened the Staff section, scroll through until you find Team Member. It's important because enabling tips is done on a per employee basis. So select the particular team member for whom you want to enable the tipping feature. This makes it easy to customize who is eligible to receive tips depending on your business model. Next up, you'll want to click on Job and Compensation. Here you can set and adjust various job related parameters, making sure your staff is compensated fairly. Now, find the option that says Edit Job. This is where you'll gain access to more detailed settings about an employee's role and their tip eligibility. We're almost there. The critical step is to click on Tip Eligible. This toggle will allow your customers to add gratuity when they book appointments with that particular team member. Confirm the changes to ensure that the settings have been updated, and there you have it. Your team member is now ready to receive tips through Square Appointments. Remember, enabling tip options is a great way to recognize and reward your team's efforts, while also enhancing the customer experience. Once you've followed these steps, you'll have successfully integrated tipping into your appointment setup, all within just a few minutes. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore more resources on the Square website or get in touch with their support team. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.